If you love oversized fashion or looking for oversized t-shirts for your college, then this video is for you guys. This right here is not a sponsored video. I wish we were sponsored karte, but I have paid my own money to go ahead and buy all of these t-shirts, and trust me, the quality is absolutely top notch. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're into oversized fits and oversized fashion and are looking for oversized t-shirts, then this video is for you guys, because आज के video में I'll be sharing with you guys some of the most beautiful t-shirts that I got from Myntra. These are so affordable, absolutely comfortable, and have some beautiful prints on them. So yes, without much blabbering, chalo, let's quickly get started with today's video. कुछ इस तरीके की टी-शर्ट मैंने मंगवाया है. You can see it's so damn beautiful. बहुत ही comfortable के साथ साथ बहुत ही खूबसूरत लगता है. And मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ. All of the t-shirts that I got, they look so nice, very comfortable, and look so gorgeous. So I have paired that with a lot of trousers and skirts ताकि मैं आपको दिखा पाऊँ कि कैसे लगता है with different bottom wear. So सारे try-ons भी आ जाएंगे, do not worry. जब भी मुझे ये लगता है कि मुझे बिल्कुल dress up करने का मन नहीं है because it's so hot outside, all I do is just wear my jeans, wear my trouser, wear any kind of bottom wear, चाहे वो skirt वगैरह कुछ भी हो. Then I just wear my t-shirts, be it oversized. Most of the time मैं oversized को ही prefer करती हूँ because they look so nice. बहुत ही baggy, बहुत ही cool लगता है. Plus आप बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable भी रहते हो. So it's the easiest fashion hack, especially summer के time. Plus सारे के सारे t-shirts cotton के हैं, तो आप बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable रहोगे. These are all the t-shirts that I have. So let's begin with today's haul. जब आप t-shirts लेते हो, you either go for solid colors or those graphic printed ones. But have you ever seen this 3D printed वाले t-shirts? And that's the only reason मैं ये haul कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि सारे के सारे इस तरीके के हैं. 3D flowers बना हुआ है, 3D ribbons बना हुआ है, 3D bows बना हुआ है, 3D teddy bears बना हुआ है. So I got really excited and got myself 6 different pair of t-shirts that just look so nice, very comfortable, very pocket friendly, and बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत लगता है. The very first t-shirt that I have is this very beautiful purple lavender color का regular fit t-shirt, and this is what it looks like. I mean, just look at how beautiful this is. आप देख पा रहे हो 3D flower print किया गया है. That just looks so nice, and the color is like this. The fit is absolutely gorgeous. तो सारे pictures मैं यहाँ डाल दूँगी, do not worry, and सारे links to description box में डाल दूँगी. Do check it out. This is what the first t-shirt looks like. I just love it. It's so nice. 3D printed है. Oh my god, you guys, आप देख पा रहे हो कितना ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है. So प्रिंट सिर्फ किया गया है नहीं, but 3D flowers भी है जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत and stand out करता है. So this is what the first t-shirt looks like. I got this in the size small. This is not going to be oversized, but ये normal regular fit होगा, which is also nice क्योंकि मैं इसको अपने skirts के साथ पहन सकती हूँ. सारे sizes, सारे price मैं स्क्रीन के ऊपर डाल दूँगी. Not worry. Buying t-shirts of this 3D pattern will just make you stand out. The next t-shirt मैं मंगवाया है this very beautiful Disney Mickey Mouse printed relaxed fit t-shirt, and this is what it looks like. ठीक है, ये normal printed t-shirt है Mickey Mouse का, and this is what it looks like. I am not someone who wears this kind of fit. इतना लंबा sleeve and then it just sits right at the waist. But मैंने order करा है and I wanted to try something new, and this is what I got. It's a normal regular printed t-shirt, and this is what it looks like. The fabric, the material is absolutely gorgeous, and this is like one size bigger than your normal size ताकि ये थोड़ा सा oversized look दे आपको. And this is what the beautiful t-shirt looks like. You have this huge Mickey Mouse print right here. It has that faded print to it जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा popular हो रहा है. And this is what it looks like. यहाँ आप देख पा रहे हो one size larger and bigger than your normal size. And यहाँ आप देख पा रहे हो Disney Mickey Mouse. ठीक है. The next t-shirt that I got is this very beautiful white woman self-designed relaxed fit t-shirt, and oh boy, it has this bow detailing, like a butterfly bow detailing that just looks absolutely gorgeous. So this is the t-shirt that I got. White t-shirt मेरे haul में ना हो ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं हो सकता. So this is what I got. It's absolutely gorgeous. Has such a beautiful print. सारे के सारे prices बहुत ही high price में लिखा गया है. Like इसका दाम है 2,199. I'm not gonna pay $2,000 for just a pair of t-shirt. But again आपको ये 400-500 में आराम से मिल जाएगा। सारे लिंक्स मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, डू नॉट वरी एंड डू नॉट गो अहेड एंड मिस आउट ऑन दिस बिकॉज प्योर कॉटन है एंड 3D प्रिंट तो आप देख पा रहे हो इतना खूबसूरत है। सो दिस इज व्हाट द नेक्स्ट ब्यूटीफुल टी शर्ट लुक्स लाइक। Oh my god, you guys, the color is white, looks absolutely stunning. Pink color का यहाँ पे butterfly बना हुआ है with a satin, fabric, and then you get this embellished man right here that just looks absolutely nice. If you're looking for something that's not very casual, but आप इतना भी ज़्यादा नहीं करना चाह रही हो, then you can absolutely go ahead and choose a dressier t-shirts like this and look casual but dressy all at the same time. मेरे पास और 3 t-shirts बाकी है and you're gonna love them because they have teddy bears in it. So the next t-shirt that I have is this very beautiful beige round cup. So this is what the t-shirt looks like, absolutely stunning. I am a fan of graphic t-shirts. All my bachelor's and my master's college life, all I wore was oversized t-shirts and trousers. That was my college uniform. So this is what the next item looks like, very beautiful and again beige in color and oh my god, ये printed के साथ साथ इसके यहाँ भी ना छोटा सा 3D डिटेलिंग है, आप देख पा रहे हो। इट हैज दिस वेरी ब्यूटीफुल प्रिंट, ठीक है, एक लड़की छोटा सा टाइनी गर्ल प्रिंट किया गया है एंड देन she is wearing this bow on her head and then she is also wearing a bow on her neck. So this is what the beautiful t-shirt looks like, again very good quality and मैंने मंगाया है in the size medium. मैं इनकी क्वालिटी से काफी ज्यादा impressed हूँ. I was not expecting the quality to be this nice, but trust me, even if you go for 10 washers, 20 washers, ये खराब भी नहीं होंगे. This right here is not a sponsored video. I wish वो लोग sponsor करते, but I have paid my own money to go ahead and buy all of this t-shirt and trust me, the quality is absolutely top notch. If you compare this with H&M की t-shirt, H&M की t-shirt हल्का थोड़ा सा हल्का क्वालिटी का होता है and after few washes वो खराब हो जाते हैं. So this right here is far better than the H&M ones. thick quality है but आपको गर्मी नहीं लगेगा. So the quality is absolutely top notch and it will keep you absolutely comfortable. So yeah, this is what the next t-shirt looks like, which is just straight out of my Pinterest board. The next t-shirt जो मैंने मंगाया है, this very beautiful woman black self-designed round neck t-shirt and oh my god, it has teddy bear in it and इसलिए मैंने मंगाया है. So this is what it looks like. ये हल्का सा crop है, full नहीं आप देख पा रहे हो. It's slightly crop and this is what it looks like, black in color and मैंने मंगाया है in the size medium. It looks so beautiful. ये पूरा का पूरा woolen का बना हुआ है. ये shoelaces है जो कि इस तरीके से bow का डिजाइन दिया गया है. So nice, so Pinteresty and आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा compliments मिलेंगे. And the last t-shirt जो मैंने मंगवाया है, this very beautiful white self-designed round neck oversized fit t-shirt and this is what it looks like, you guys. This right here just hits different. It has teddy bear and it's oversized fit. So मैंने मंगवाया है in the size medium. अगर मैं small में मंगवाती तो काफी बेहतर होता. But this is what it looks like. I'll probably give this to my mom because ये already oversized fit का है. तो I should have ordered my regular size instead of upping my size. So I'll give this to my mom and order the same one in my regular size. तब जाके ये और भी अच्छे तरीके से fit होगा. So this is what the next t-shirt looks like. It has such a beautiful teddy print on the center. That's it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. मैं सारे link description box में डाल दूंगी, जरूर check कर लेना. And I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.